In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Workspace in Google Drive. This tool can significantly enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts, allowing you to work more efficiently with your team within your organization. Let's dive into the steps to get you started on Google Workspace. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by simply typing Google Drive into your search bar, or if you have a direct link, by following that. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This is where you select the account you want to use for your workspace endeavors. Make sure it's the account associated with your organization or the one you use for professional purposes to keep everything streamlined. After selecting your account, the next step is entering your password. This is a standard security measure to ensure that only you can access your account. Once you've inputted your credentials, it's time to sign in. Click the Sign In button to proceed. Upon successfully signing in, you'll find yourself in the main area of Google Drive. Now look for the Workspaces option. This might be located in different areas of your interface depending on any customizations or updates, but it's generally easy to find. Clicking on this will take you closer to creating your very own workspace. Inside the Workspaces section, you will see an option to create workspace. This is where the magic begins. Click on it and you'll be prompted to give your new workspace a name. Choose a name that is descriptive and clearly indicates the purpose of the workspace or the team that will be utilizing it. This helps in keeping your workspaces organized and easily identifiable. After naming your workspace, you will click on Create. This action finalizes the creation of your workspace and sets the stage for you to begin customizing it to fit your team's needs. Now that your workspace is set up, you can start using it to collaborate with your team. This workspace functions as a dedicated space where you can share files, collaborate on documents, and manage projects together, all in real time and all within your organization. It's designed to break down barriers, streamline communication, and foster a collaborative working environment. Remember, Google Workspaces is a powerful tool for collaboration. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with its features and functionalities can greatly enhance your workflow and productivity. You can customize your workspace with folders, documents, spreadsheets, and anything else your team needs. The aim is to make your work as efficient and organized as possible. And there you have it. That's how you use Workspace in Google Drive. With your new workspace set up, you're ready to take your collaboration and productivity to the next level. Use this dedicated space to bring your team together and make your projects more manageable and more successful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore and utilize all the features Workspaces has to offer to get the most out of your team collaboration experience.